So here you are, behind the wheel of your fabulous new car. Life is good. But you know that things sometimes happen. You might get a small ding on your vehicle hood or dents in your doors. Suddenly your new car doesn't feel so new. And keeping up with fixes on these things can be really expensive, even if you have insurance. That's why you need Assurant Vehicle Care Paintless Dent Repair. Paintless Dent Repair helps you keep up your car's value and appearance for an affordable price. It erases small dents and dings using specialized hand tools to permanently remove dings and minor dents without affecting the existing paint finish. And with a choice of deductible, you'll get coverage that makes sense for your budget. You'll also get reimbursed up to $40 for a maximum of 1 day of substitute transportation if you're without your vehicle during repairs. Help keep your car looking showroom new and affordable to maintain. Stay in a state of road happiness. Assurant Vehicle Care Paintless Dent Repair.